Attention realtors. Are your listings falling flat? Imagine walking into a home that sparkles, feels inviting, and makes potential buyers say, "I can see myself living here." At TidyTex Home Cleaning, we don't just clean. We create an experience that captivates buyers right from the first glance. As a proud veteran-owned service based in San Antonio, we understand the importance of trust and reliability. Our professional team is dedicated to preparing homes for sale, enhancing their appeal, and helping you close deals faster. We offer quick turnarounds and meticulous attention to detail, ensuring your properties shine before open houses and buyer visits. Did you know? A simple tidy tip can significantly enhance your home's appeal. Before showings, open all the blinds and turn on lights. A bright, welcoming space helps buyers visualize their future. Ready to elevate your listings? Check the video description for our contact details, including our website, phone, and email. Let TidyTex help you make a lasting impression that leads to successful sales. Contact us today and watch your properties shine like never before.